The season's going really good. We've been having a lot of huge PRs, which is really good, and showing that our training is, being effective. And I think that we can be a lot more competitive at Max this year, even more competitive than we were last year.
As a team, I think we're actually doing pretty well. We have a lot of personal records, and we've broken a lot of school records, so I think we're actually doing pretty well as a team this year.
It's going pretty well. We've all started PRing, and which is awesome because now we're getting to the end and everybody's strength is getting a lot better. Like me, I am getting closer to throwing 40 feet, so hopefully that's what I do this weekend.
I'm getting better in my solo performance because my coach's training. A lot of the lifting has really helped me. It's helped me become a more powerful runner. Also, I've been training, the longer training is carrying over to help my 200 meter, and then I also can go up to run the 400 or go down to run the 100, so it's kind of helpful the way the training's set up. It enables me to do a variety of races.
Well, I actually prefer the running events just because I feel like I have more competition in running, and I don't know, I guess it's a mindset again. But jumping's fun, but my favorite event is 100 for sure. And the 4x1, that's fun, always fun.
The events I do are shot and disc, and I would have to say I am better in shot put.
I set a lot of goals for myself in the beginning of the season that I wanted to reach. So in the beginning, the weather was kind of bad, so it wasn't really ideal running weather, but as the season progressed, I definitely did get better. And I feel myself being more confident in my races for sure.
For myself, I've set the goal since I've became a 200 specialist. I set the goal to run a PR, my college PR, and I did run it actually last weekend, so that was really big for me. Also individually, goals I set for myself was just to be more confident in my races and trusting my training, and I think I've already made a big transition from how I was previous years until now. As a team, the goals I would have to say is just overall how we are as a team, especially at meets, we're there to support one another, and that's big on our team. Everyone's very supportive and everyone's very encouraging, and I think that helps and why our team is just getting better and better, and everyone's reaching their goals and getting their PRs.
My goals for this year are, it's kind of funny, but it's to beat my teammate Tia Robertson, because right now she is the top thrower. So my goal is to always try to beat her at shot.
The mindset a track runner needs to have when preparing for a race is definitely focusing on a lot of technical stuff, realizing what their individual self needs to work on during the race. We all are very different runners, so it's a lot about the different phases in your race that you need to carry over when you run, and it's also you're thinking to yourself, what am I going to focus on in this race? What did I do before that I'm going to do differently this time? And that definitely is what helps runners be successful.
There's actually a lot of difference between track and field events. In the field events, you're kind of against yourself, you're not running next to someone, so you don't have them to push you, so you just have to have your own mindset. And with jumping, it's kind of been tough this year because I'm learning a lot of new technique and stuff, because in high school I didn't really have a jumps coach, so I just kind of did my own thing. So it's been a lot different, but the field events are definitely exciting. Just as exciting as running events.
With me, leading to breaking personal records, was a lot of practicing the form and getting stronger in the gym, with just muscular wise, and then really just outside of practicing my form and where my arms and legs should be when I finish my throws. I think the biggest change from high school to college would have to be the amount of training and just the specialization of my sport, what I do, because in high school I never had a throwing coach, so now that's a big difference here where I actually learned how to actually throw.
It's definitely a lot different. We went from in high school we would run every day nonstop, whereas in college we only have set days where we run or where we lift, and then we have our recovery days because we need to recover, and it's just a lot different all around.
As a senior, the program has drastically changed for the better. In the beginning, we started small. It was only 6 sprinters. Our team is like growing, and our team dynamic is really good. So I think that everyone on the team is getting better, and I think that in the future, the program is going to be a very, very strong Division I track program. It already is, but I can see big things happening.
I'm excited going into the MAC championship. I just know you have to trust your training. Like, you have to know that you're prepared for it, even if you might not feel like you are, but you just have to prepare yourself, and we know our coach knows what she's doing, so we just have to trust that. And I feel like as a team, I think we're all pretty well prepared for it. We're excited.
I just trust my training, and I know what we're capable of doing as a team and what I'm capable of doing individually. It's just basically going to be focusing on getting my nerves calmed down and just trusting everything I've been doing all season.
I think the team is feeling good about going into MACs, and I think we're all excited and ready to make new strides and accomplishments. I am excited, and I think this is going to be a record-breaking point for myself. So I'm excited.